Some time ago I was wondering that how come I have friends from every walk of life, from my school days, my college days, my university days, from my old neighborhood, from my current neighborhood, from my old workplace to my current workplace, and from distant family members far off places. I am quite a shy person, and what kind of person? How can I be such a good friend to anyone? I was quite intrigued about that. And then I got this book by Dale Carnegie, that is How to Win Friends and Influence People. And it dawned on me that I have this incredible ability for listening to the other person attentively. And it is a very integral part of communication, to give the other person undivided attention. Whenever a person comes to me and he's talking to me, I give him or her undivided attention. Whether he's senior to me, my colleague, or my junior, any student is there, I stop any work and listen to them, what they want to say. Even if I'm in class and somebody's talking, then I listen to them if they are having any problem or whatever it is. If I'm in a meeting, then I listen attentively whatever the speaker is saying to me or for the other person. If I'm in a conference, then I listen to whatever is being spoken about. So this quality, when you are having a better listening, then it makes you a better communicator. And it improves your relationship as well. Because when you are listening to the other person's problems, issues, praising their accomplishments, resolving their problems, then you are in their shoes. You are putting yourself in their shoes. And it increases the empathy between them. A trust bond is developed between you people when you are like that. And if there are any problems or misunderstandings which arise in a relationship, you can resolve them through this communication, through better listening abilities. And not only the problem between you and the other person can be resolved, but between two parties also. You will be able to listen attentively without any judgment to the different parties, and you will be quick into the solution that what is the problem actually is. So you will be a better problem solver, conflict resolver, and when you are doing this, listening properly, listening attentively, then it will enhance your productivity as well, because you are giving undivided attention whatever work you are doing, whatever meeting you are in. So if you are not a better listener, go and adapt this quality. Good luck to you.